Okay, so today I'm going to do another test of these two cameras. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the GoPro 12. Yes, just the 12, not the 13 today. Just want to see what happens here. See if you can see details with the sun. See details in the shade. Kind of see how it all works here, and let's just take a quick walk. We've got them mounted together, same settings. Here's a good little test I like to do with the signs here. This is this side with the sun there. Now let's switch over to the other side of the sign where the sun is behind us. And I have them set on the same at zoom of 1. Feel free to pause it anytime and just kind of let me know what you think. Yeah, the leaves are falling off the trees. It is definitely fall for sure. Hey, that's not a bad deal. That means it's pumpkin season. I love pumpkins. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin flavor, pumpkin everything. Can you read the horse there? Can you read that little sign? You see the details on the horses? Which one can you see the details better? Which I don't get it, because I mean they're both set to zoom 1. And yes, that is where I am. If you can read that sign, I am in Kentucky right now. Let's go into the shade a little bit. That's a good test to do. Oh, look at there. Can you see the red berries all over the tree? Christmas time is getting close. We got Thanksgiving first. So, we're looking good. Got some bushes here with more red berries on them. If y'all know what the name of these bushes are, let me know. So just wanting to do a little comparison today to kind of see which one y'all like. It's another little bush. Another one of those trees. Got the sun behind us right now, right there. And which one shows that sun? Or the tree with the sun there. We got the flowers. You see the details in the flowers? Trying to move it slow. I'm giving both cameras a chance. So yeah, just let me know what y'all think. Which one has more detail? Which one's distorted too much? Does the sun interfere? Can you make out the details? That's what I make sure of, is can you make out the details? The leaves, the trees, yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an opportunity to really see the difference in these cameras. And remember, this is just the GoPro 12. This is not the 13, this is the 12. And the Osmo Action 5 Pro by DJI. So, which one do y'all think looks the best? Can you read the sun with this, or the sign with the sun behind you? If you was doing action sports and the sun was in different positions, which camera would you want to use? If you end up in the shadows while you're moving, which camera would you want to use? Now, I'm not going to tell you which one I like the best, but I think you can clearly see which one for fishing, skiing, whatever. Let's go inside here. Which one I would rather use. You can really tell the details. Huh, must be a bad neighborhood. They got it caged up. Now let's move a little faster and see. Okay, let's head back out. Let's walk around this way. Yeah, the trees are definitely losing a lot of leaves. I'm not looking for views, subscribers, or nothing. I'm just here to show you the difference. Like, this is another good test right here. Can you see, can you make out the bricks in the wall? That's what you got to think of too. You make out the bricks on either one of them. Like I said, same settings, both cameras. Same mount. They're mounted right next to each other on the same mount. So there is no two mounts. There's no... So, tell me what you think. What's the definition like? How close do I got to get before you see the little red berries for each camera? Now you got to remember, the Osmo Action 5 Pro has a bigger sensor, so it lets more light in. So low light situations, I will tell you right now, yes, hands down, it is definitely the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro that I would choose every time in low light situations. But during the day, you know, action sports, stuff like that, and even if there is enough light, if you're inside of an arena or something, it doesn't matter which one you use. So it's up to you on which one you like. This is with the sun behind us, which is crazy. I have them both on one time zoom, and the Osmo Action, I don't know, I can't tell you which one is which yet, but the I don't know, I mean, it doesn't make sense on how it's recorded. It's like it's further away, but it's not. It's exactly the same, and they're both one-time zoom. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, you can see that pole right there. Look at the bend in the pole. Which camera do you think is which with that bend in the pole? You'll be surprised. All right, so now I'm going to take some photos and see the difference in the photos. Okay, so that's the test for today. Thanks for joining me today. Alien Haze, just another day of having fun and not really much of an adventure, but a little bit of a camera comparison. So yeah, really just wanted to let y'all know which one is which, but yeah, I'll let you know down in the comments which one is which. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and remember, I don't care what camera you use, whenever you take an adventure, record it, show us, and let us know which one you're using. And yeah, so y'all have a great day, a great rest of your weekend, great whichever day you're watching this. But yeah, have a good one. Take care, have fun, stay safe, bye.